Why gamma ray bursts are interesting? Because we see enormous amount of energy in a very short time scales. If we take what sun radiates over 10 billion years, we see all this energy in 1 second. So this means that if you put the gamma ray burst very far away, you still will be able to see because it's very, very bright. Actually, there are two kinds of gamma ray bursts. Very short, which last 1 second, and very long ones, which last 100 seconds. So the short ones originate from a merger of two very compact stars of the size of a city, let's say 10 kilometers. And when these two compact stars merge, they make an enormous explosion with very short duration. Instead, long gamma ray bursts originate from death of very massive stars, 10 times more than the Sun. In this case, the star collapses, makes a small black hole and explodes a lot of energy, but on longer time. It's very interesting that two completely different mechanisms produce more or less the same event, one shorter and one a bit longer.